kiss, so you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure, I insist you keep me on a little longer. I'd like to like you like before, but first I've got to be sure, because if I am not for myself, who the fuck am I gonna be for tonight? So treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling tonight. So treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling. I just require a little fragile handling. I just require a little fragile handling. I wrote a list and tore it up of all the things I thought I want, but staring at this paper cup I saw a little wider, and odder things have happened to me up and down this avenue. We can sit back and let fate decide, but I've this insatiable hunger tonight. So treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling tonight. So treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling. 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 Tonight, so treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling. Just treat me like I like, if only for a night. I'm not demanding, I just require a little fragile handling. 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 I just require a little fragile handling.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and unspoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah. So easy. We could be the enemy and show them how it's done. Yeah, we could brand a new identity and tear apart the song. Let's make it grayscale with my black and white scale. Singing saints that the sinners believe in burn all that's in it. We'll take them out, out, out. blind.
Okay, you guys, so I quickly did this look because I do have a conference call right now. I'm doing this very early in the morning, so hopefully you guys don't judge if it doesn't come out right, but I did want to try this ColourPop Nude Mood little palette. This is the first time I use ColourPop, and let me tell you that I was so impressed with the quality of these eyeshadows. I was they are stunning, you guys. They are stunning. So if you want to spend some money on makeup, I would highly recommend that you do spend money on ColourPop eyeshadows, because they are really creamy, really blendable, really yummy. They're extremely high quality. So this is like a good investment, and it was, I think, only like $12 or $14, which is very nice. This is like really good. I was so impressed by the quality of this eyeshadow that I think I'm gonna be buying more, because it's just a really nice color story in this little palette, and the colors are just truly amazing. I will insert swatches for you guys, as I always do, and let me quickly go ahead and swatch a couple of them so you can see how good these eyeshadow palettes are. So right there, you guys, this one is really pretty. It's like more of a topper, but the quality, you guys, is extremely amazing. I've been enjoying it. It's my first time using this palette today, but it was extremely easy to come up with something very natural, very settled for today's conference call. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoy that. Some other stuff that I did enjoy that I wanted to mention is this highlighter from Wet and Wild. As you can see, it's very reflective, very beautiful. It has like an shift to it. It's like a duochrome, like a light pink with, I don't know, it's very reflective, very good. And this is another recommendation that I want to do to you guys, because it's really affordable. I don't think it was more than $5. This, I ordered it off of Ulta, and I think I did a haul where I showed all the things that I got from Ulta that day, and this is very good. I'm gonna be using it more often. The other thing that I used was this Revlon Stain Blush, Insta Blush. It was really difficult to get the product out of there, but once I got it in my cheek, it looks really beautiful, and it's natural. It's not like my other powders where it does look like I put a powder on top of my skin. This looks more like a blush from within, if that makes any sense. It was really good. So I used this Revlon Candid underneath my eyes again, and you guys, with this e.l.f. Camo Concealer, it's looking really pretty, really natural. It's not creasing as much as my other powders did before. Like, I used this with Milani, or yeah, I think it was a Milani full coverage concealer, and it creased a little bit, but not too bad. But these two together today are making me very beautiful under eyes. What else did I use? I used again the Dewy Luminex foundation. You guys, this is really nice. I've been loving this foundation because it does look very natural on my skin, and I like it, and it's only a few bucks. So the other thing I used today, which I have been using for a long time now, is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this one is in the color Light Bronzer, and I really like how it does perform, so I will continue to use this. It's my favorite. I love it. Nothing else to say. So I'm gonna grab all the things that I love. Is the palette, the bronzer, and the highlight. I extremely love them. Of course, the foundation. that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it will help me so much. And if you're inspired by this look and you would like me to make more looks like this, please leave a comment down below. Bye bye.